speak Spanish. You don't speak Spanish? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create a two-person scene where you're playing both the characters using the CapCut masking feature. If we've just met, hi, I'm Dawnnie Mercado and I help actors excel on YouTube. I'm an actor myself. Here goes. So let's see. First, we're going to record a master shot with just the therapist, okay? We're pretending that we're going to put these two characters together. Actually, with me first, all right? I'm going to stand here. And the eye line is the tricky part because you have to act as though you're looking on the outside of their eye, you know, their face, the correct angle. I hope that makes sense. So I'm pretending there's a therapist sitting here and her face is going to be around here. It's going to be me in a second. So I want to look at the outside eye, not upstage. I'm thinking like a theater actor. I don't want to look back there because I'll be hiding my face. So I'll look around here. Hi, I'm so glad that you decided to see me today because I'm hearing voices in my head. The kind that might come from my dog over there, who is clearly just sitting there doing nothing. Okay, very short, right? I paused because I'm going to hear her saying something. So the key is to leave enough space for her to reply and to remember what you said. So I'm going to do it again because I'm not really sure what I said. So I'm going to do it again. Okay, we'll see how that goes. I should have my chair taller. Let me try where I'm just standing. We're going to try it again. Here comes Rex. Okay, we're going to shoot the therapist first, and I think that for the sake of this, because the angle was weird a second ago, I'm going to have them both be standing. Okay, so I'm going to pretend she comes in, they're going to have a little discussion, and then I'll edit it together. Maybe I'm doing something. Maybe I'm writing. Oh, come in! Of course, I'm happy I can help. What seems to be the problem? Okay, that's it. So let's edit this together and see how it goes.
Okay, so we're in CapCut. I'm using the desktop app. And the first thing you want to do is put the section that you're going to use as your second scene or your mask over the first section as an overlay. You see, I've done that there. Again, this is how you do that. You put the two copies of your scene on the same timeline, and the one that you're going to use as a mask you drag over to the starting point that you want. Now we're working with the top layer right now, and we are looking for the mask, add mask, and we want the split, this one here. And then you see how it splits it. That little center, you can turn it. So turn it until it's straight up and down. And there you have your scene. The reason it works is because we didn't use our tripod at all. And it is exactly the same room in both shots. So we've just edited a tiny piece for you. I'm probably going to edit the longer scene together and then show you that at the end. So what you'll want to do is cut off the section that you don't need. You can use the split feature.
Oh, come in! Hi, thank you for seeing me on such short notice. What seems to be the problem? I'm hearing my dog talk again. Except the problem is now it's in Spanish. You don't speak Spanish? I don't speak Spanish. If you're an actor yourself or you're just new here on YouTube, say hi, and please, by all means, tell me the one thing you learned today that you didn't already know, because YouTube really thrives on engagement, and watch one of the videos that pop up next. I'll see you in the next one.
On this channel, I solve problems for new YouTubers and actors. I'm Dawnnie Mercado. I'm a SAG-AFTRA actor, been in the business for over 30 years, but you know what? I don't think actors are using their superpowers properly on YouTube. I'm here to change that. Let's go.